Hey guys, what's up? So, got something for my new truck. It's got a 2.5 inch receiver, so I wanted to get a 2.5 inch hitch so that there's not so much slop when I'm towing. I'm not getting stuff rattling around quite as bad as I do with an insert and then a 2-inch, hitch put into the receiver. So I went with a Bulletproof. I like that it was rated for 6,000 pound tongue weight, and it was also rated to tow 36,000 pounds. To me, that'll cover anything I need to do. We tow heavy when we're doing tree work, so I wanted to make sure that I definitely got something tough. So it just came today, and we're gonna check it out and see what this is. Okay, so shipping weight on this says 55 pounds. That's pretty small. Alright, that should be everything. So my first initial impression of it is this is one incredibly well built hitch. The ones that you go buy at the store, whether you get it at Tractor Supply or hardware store, wherever you go get them, some of them are pretty solid. I've got some that have a solid shank to them, and they're kind of beefy, kind of heavy, pretty solid. I would trust it for the most part, but they don't hold a candle to this, and they don't have the adjustability. The ones I'm talking about that are solid are just one specific, just a 2-inch drop. There's no adjustability to it. There's no ability to add the pintle hitch to it. So for what you're paying for this right here, it looks like a really, really impressive product. We'll have to get it on the truck and see if it tightens up and gets that slack out that I was talking about earlier in the other hitch. I'm certain it will, but we'll do a little towing with it and report back to you. Alright guys, got my chipper here, and obviously I normally tow it with my big chip truck, and it has a normal pintle hitch on the back, but it's quite high because obviously it's a much larger truck. So I've got my chipper here, and I've just got it behind my 3500 Chevy, and I'm towing it with my new Bulletproof Hitch. Got the pintle set up here, so we'll see how this works. I'm so impressed by it thus far. It's a really well built hitch. I don't think I'll ever have any issues with it, which is exactly what they promised, and that's what I want. So let's see how it tows. All right, so took this out and did some towing with it, both on-road and off-road. You can see things are a little messy there. And Bulletproof hitches are where it's at. Awesome product. If you're thinking about getting a new hitch, I would definitely recommend them. Just got some goodies for my saw. 461 getting a bark box from West Coast Saws, and some pro felling dogs. That should be some pretty nice stuff. We'll get that set up here in the video here before too long.